So for those of you who've been following our back garden, this is where we had just way overgrown weeds and all of that. So the goats went through and completely cleared it out, and they did an amazing job. And now Dale is just going through in the background. You can kind of see him. He's going through and he is using his flamethrower. He's having a lot of fun. And he is just killing the rest of the weeds yeah, making sure it gets all ready for our next round of fall crops. So we love using these organic methods for weed control because, I mean, we're going to be eating this food and we don't want to use a bunch of like weed killer, anything like that, because we like to do everything as organic as possible. So, and also if by doing things like this, we can, you know, have the goats come in here too and help us out just like we did before. If you missed our video before with the goats and the sheep helping us out in the garden, I made a video about that and I posted it, and I'll post the link down below in the description so you can check it out. So this flamethrower will not only kill like weeds as well, but it will help us handle any pests that may be burrowing down underneath the ground too. So that's another benefit of doing this. Whenever we lived in the city, Dale used to use this flamethrower too for control, like around our cement areas that had weeds growing up. So it was super helpful then too, but I mean, as you can see, it's really helpful out here as well. Burning the soil also helps the soil gain some nutrients as well, so it's really good for the soil to do this every once in a while too. So these flamethrowers are not actually as expensive as you think. So most of them run, I mean, depending on how good you want it to be. I think ours was probably about like $70, $80, something like that. But you can get them as cheap as like $20, $30. They may not work as good and as fast, but it'll still be good for you. So I'll link to the one that we have down in the description. So check that out. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today and watching Dale have some fun in the garden. Okay, so I thought I would take a break, take a breather, get a drink, and shoot a quick video just about where we're at right now. So as you can see, it looks different back there now, right? We took the fence down and then we've been working on getting all these smart pots put over along the trellises that we had already built there. And then now we are watering in the background. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. We'll probably bring over a few more smart pots, but I thought that I would pause and show you all where we're at right now.